What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So XRP may be making a little bit of a move today. Not a crazy move. We all know what these moves are like for XRP. While we still wait for the clarity within this case, but it's making a little bit of a move today. So let's talk about XRP. And I've seen an article here talking about how much you need in order to become a millionaire at all different types of levels. Not just saying that it's going to get to this level. If it does get to this level, this level, this level, how much do you want to have to kind of guarantee yourself millionaire status versus how much you need in order to become a millionaire at the peak point, and reaching that level by having your exit strategy across the board, collecting your initial investment, collecting profit, and in the end you become a millionaire, right? There's that way of looking at it. So let's take a look at where XRP right now is. When at the time of recording this video, which is 1:35 p.m. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, also, don't forget about Margex or my HG Algo indicator. Both of those links are at the top of the description as well. But if we currently look at XRP, it's standing at 54 cents, almost 55 cents. It's up 0.6%. We're seeing $1 billion that's going through this play. It's at a $29.8 billion market cap. And we've seen things that have risen over this last day, which is fantastic to see the movement because it did dive down and it did have a little bit of a bounce back. Right now, we are seeing things that are kind of decreasing a little bit, but we could be seeing just maybe a little bit of a correction. And as we speak right now, it seems like it's really, taking a little bit of a hit. So anything could happen with those things. But we are seeing the overall market cap at $2.06 trillion market cap, which is absolutely phenomenal. Again, we are waiting for the entire supply to be introduced, but that's going to take like 47 months. 46 or 45 or 46 months for that to happen because they're releasing a billion every single month. Now, when it comes to being able to gather a lot, you all know that I have 21,000 XRP, meaning that we would need to see a significant price in order to get to a level of $1 million. It wouldn't be ridiculously high like it was when I had 2 million or 2,000 or 3,000, but having 21,000, really does put me in another level, having about 11,000 invested or 12,000 invested overall. So I thought this was interesting. We had this article here that came from the Crypto Basic. Here's how much XRP you need to be a millionaire if XRP hits $11, $28, $56, $156, or $521. Now, $521 is not the level that people are even talking about where it's like $30,000 or $50,000 or $100,000, like these levels that are unbelievable to get to. And I mean, $521 is still an unbelievable amount to get to compared to like other market caps that are out there. Because if you do the math, the market cap is insane in the trillions of dollars. And right now we only have Bitcoin that's sitting above $1 trillion. Even Ethereum is not up at those levels as of right now. So it's tough to say, but what do you really learn from this? Again, you learn the fact of you making, or what's the minimum amount or minimum amount that you need in order to guarantee yourself to become a millionaire, right? At that level where you believe it's going to hit $11 or $20, that's the minimum amount that you would need in order to become a millionaire. So how much you would need to spend. XRP has the potential to make millionaires out of investors, but this could only materialize if the cryptocurrency records rally or records rallies to lofty price targets against the appropriate investment capital. Some XRP proponents have continued to hold onto their tokens, hoping to see a price appreciation that could bring them the much coveted millionaire status. However, raking in $1 million with XRP would depend on two factors: the capital invested in and the rate at which XRP skyrockets. XRP already has a history of massive price surges, further bolstering the confidence proponents have in its potential to record massive gains. For instance, the token rallied from 50% of a penny in February 2017 to its all-time high of $3.31 in January 2018, marking a 66,000% rise in a year. with the price surge of $3.3 or $3.33, I guess that's what it was, an investor who purchased XRP with a mere $1,500 when it dropped to 50% of a penny, February 17th. 2017, witnessed their investment skyrocket to $1 million January 2017. Despite the bigger roadblocks to similar surges, some investors remain confident amid prevalent price projections. Needed to make $1 million from $11, $28, and $56. Let me go ahead and skip through this. So you would need basically, you would need $48,116 at the current price in order to, because you would need 88,000. That's how many XRP you would need in order to get to it at a level of $11.26. Then you go to a level of $28.20. You would need 17,683 tokens, which I do have over, which you can have to get to $1 million. And I do have 20,000, XRP tokens there. If XRP needed to make a million from $156 or $521. If you're, I guess, might be, it says the projections might be too ambitious for XRP. Such $156.36 or $521.69. Let's see, they dismissed it. So you would need 1,916 XRP to be worth $1 million if it does get to that level. That would be the higher price range. Let me go through it. Investors seeking the $156 price would need to hold only 6,395, and then the top one would be 1,916. So the minimum amount that you would need to hold is about $88,000, which would be a total, or 88,000 XRP, which would be a total of $48,000 at the current price. So that's where you can kind of guarantee yourself to be a millionaire. But if you truly believe that it's going to get to a level of $28, sorry, I thought you would need 19,000. You would need 35,460 tokens. This is what I get for skipping through it. 35,460 tokens in order to get it at a value that's, if you wanted $1 million. So I don't have that much. I have less than that. So I would need to see a higher price point than that if I wanted to become a millionaire. Again, I don't plan on becoming a multi-millionaire from XRP, but if it does, that's fantastic. All I want to do with my XRP is be able to pay off the mortgage, pay off the cars, and pay off my student loans. And that's pretty much it. And as we get away from that, then I don't have to worry about any interest. And I hate interest. I hate interest so much, but I know that some of these things you need to have. So I go through my time paying interest. I pay a little bit more, so I don't pay as much, but it would be great to completely pay that off with my short-term, income that I have here. So anyways, let me know what you think about this. Do you have enough at 88,000 XRP? Do you have enough that you believe you're going to become a millionaire from XRP? Because I honestly believe it's going to be worth a hell of a lot, but it's just whether you are going to be able to be wealthy from this, and whether you're going to be able to have life-changing money from this. And life-changing money could be a millionaire status. It could be $200,000. Whatever can get you, out of any situation that you're in, or pay off all the things you want to pay off to now have less bills on a monthly basis. But let me know what your opinion of this is and where you believe that this is going to go. If you have one of these levels, if you feel as though you need to now reach up to 88,000 XRP, let me know your decision down below and what you got going on. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.